Hello everyone. Welcome to a new video. Before starting, I would request you all to please subscribe to this channel, as this channel needs your support, and access the playlist. Link of the playlist is in the description box. Our today's topic is difference between IPv4 and IPv6. So let's get started. IPv4 and IPv6 are both internet protocols that allow devices to communicate with each other by assigning them unique addresses. However, they are different in several ways. Here's a simple explanation. 1. Address format. IPv4 uses a 32-bit address format. Looks like this: 192.168.1.1 for numbers separated by dots. Can provide about 4.3 billion unique addresses. IPv6 uses a 128-bit address format. Looks like this: 8 groups separated by colons. Can provide about 340 undecillion unique addresses, a very, very large number. 2. Purpose. IPv4 developed in the 1980s and widely used. Now running out of addresses due to the growing number of devices. IPv6 introduced to solve the shortage of IPv4 addresses. Designed for the future with more devices and better functionality. 3. Speed. IPv4 generally slower in certain situations because of features like NAT, network address translation, to conserve addresses. IPv6 faster in many cases as it eliminates the need for NAT and has more efficient routing. 4. Security. IPv4 security is not built in. It relies on external protocols like IPsec for encryption and authentication. IPv6 comes with IPsec built in, making it more secure by default. 5. Header complexity. IPv4 has a more complex header, used to carry information. IPv6 simplified header, which improves performance and makes it easier to process data. 6. Address configuration. IPv4 often requires manual configuration or DHCP, Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. IPv6 supports auto-configuration, meaning devices can generate their own IP addresses. 7. Multicast and broadcast. IPv4 uses both multicast and broadcast. Broadcast sends messages to all devices on the network, can lead to inefficiency. IPv6 uses multicast only, which sends messages only to specific devices, saving resources. 8. Adoption. IPv4 still widely used and supported by most devices and networks. IPv6 adoption is growing, but it's not yet as universally supported as IPv4. Here is a table showing the final difference between the two. With this, we have reached end of our tutorial. Hope you enjoyed it. I would like to request you to post your comments regarding topics which you want to be covered in this course. See you in the next video. Like this video and share it with your friends who want to learn cybersecurity. And do not forget to subscribe and access this cybersecurity playlist. Thank you.